you should have big dreams. Identify what should I do. Where can I reach? How do I reach? Not I am useless. I am useless. Shall I prove? All of you keep your hand free. I heard 2-3 times you are clapping. But I was looking at you. I have not seen a single person here sincerely clapping. You are only making your sister happy. And you are not happy. Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
See, I asked a question. Are you happy? Now, how many of you gave the answer yes? Very few. Not all of you. I have to tell sometime louder, then you will again make. Not enough, then again you will say. As I started, what did I say? First word. What is the first word I said? When I said Namaskaram, you are looking as if some animal came. Wah. When an animal comes and make a sound, you don't make the sound same, right? Correct? Like that you are looking. What is this? Generally, when somebody says Namaskaram, returning back Namaskaram is Bharatiya Samskaram. Got it? But you are all reluctant. That means the response is not there, reflection is not there. It should come. Immediately it should come. Why you did not respond? Because you look at your friend. They are not responding, I was also not responding. You always depend on somebody else who is beside you. Correct or not? You are good or bad, not because you are good or bad. Person sitting beside you is good or bad. Suppose beside you somebody clapped very nicely, you will also clap. They are clapping like this, you will also clap like this. Correct? Let me check whether you can clap or not. Well, focus on your claps. Now when I say focus, you will become very great. Correct? Clap. Stop. Tell me how much mark I can give you for your clapping out of 100? 7. Can you make it better than this? That means you know you did not do well. Correct? It's true. You can do much better than this. After giving 1 hour lecture, when I ask you to clap, you clap like this. That means you don't appreciate anybody. It should come from within. I will know looking at you. I am a psychotherapist. I understand psychology. Looking at people, I will say what character you are. Clap. Stop. No. You are useless. You can use much better. One more chance, last chance. Now also it is less than 10. You can make it 10 times greater. Only one person clapped well. I know who is that person. From the face, from the response, from the actions, I will know, oh, this person clapped well. Now clap. No, you will not improve. See, when you clap, actually, this is your head. When you get tension, you do like this. When you bite here, this is your head. You have a headache, I can treat you only by pressing here. Close your eyes, press here, you will see you are massaging your head. Do that. Slowly press your hand, thumb only you are pressing. Then thumb only you are pressing. Do like this. Then you get your brain massaging. Feel it. Carefully do it. You have, these two are your legs. When you press here, you are actually rubbing your tummy. When you press here, you are pressing your legs. When you press here, you are pressing your hands. When you press here, You are pressing your heart. You want to get the heartbeat of your friend? Hold hand to hand like this. Then you will get their heartbeat. Very easy. Close your eyes, concentrate, you will get the heartbeat. You understood? So when you are clapping, what are you doing actually? It is not clapping like this. Actually you are head to head, hand to hand, feet to feet, heart to heart, you are jumping. That means you are massaging your body. Your whole body will vibrate. Stop. See, now I told you clapping is useful for you. Now your feeling becomes different, correct? Some people, even if tell you it is useful for you, you will not change. Like your parents will tell you study this, you become good, you will not get it. Now then what they will tell you? If you don't. No, I am going to do that. If your hands are not red, I will come and check. If it is not red, I will make your cheeks red. Now you will see how careful you will clap now. See, now I not asked you to clap also, you started clapping. And then you started looking at. Now, I told you you did not clap well in the beginning. Assume you would have clapped very well. You would have been doing like this. Why you did not do? Because you are doing for somebody else. Now for whom? For you. Now for whom? If I don't get, I'll get punishment. Don't ever wait for anything. Anything you do it 100% sincerely. Don't do it because somebody will give you marks. Somebody will evaluate you. If I don't study, I don't get marks. All that is useless. I was a very bad student. 8th class, I was in a school where I was thrown out of the school, being the worst student in the school. Principal called me, gave a cover. I thought some love letter. When I opened, it was transfer certificate, get out of the school. After many years, I went back to the school to give prizes to all the A+ winners. I was a chief guest. Understood? How do you change? You decide you want to change. You decide you want to change. Nobody need to change you. It should come from within. Yeah, I must make a difference. You understood? I gave you medicine for morning wake up. No. Wake up is there, but get up is not there. But you should decide whether you want to get up or not. As you want to make your dress, yes, today morning you want to wear the dress, before yesterday, going to bed, keep that in an order. Your parents will look at you and say, what happened to this girl, yeah? So many days I was scolding, nothing changed. Correct? There are parents who call me and say, yeah, I was trying for last 10 years, no change, but now she changed. So many parents call me because of this. You decide. Then you will show. Correct? If any one of your colleague, this school is 10 years old. That doesn't matter. You pass a lot of people 10th class, 12th class. How does it matter? Assume one of you become a collector, IAS. One of you become a great politician, a judge. The whole people will celebrate, right? You will tell my friend she was my classmate, now she is a, correct or not? You want to tell about somebody or you want everybody to tell about you? You can decide, you can change. It's in your hand. Karagre Vasate Lakshmi Karmadhye Saraswati, it's in my hand. It's very simple. Everybody is equal in brain. Some people like this, some people doesn't like this. All of you hold your hands like this. Now you look at, I asked you to hold like, don't change now. My right hand is in the front, left hand is inside. Did I ask you like this or did I ask you like this? I asked you like this, but somebody would have done like this. Are you getting? I asked you like this, but you have done like this. Now change that. Little uncomfortable, right? Yes or no? Why did you like this? When I asked you to do the front, the right hand in the front, what did you do? Left in the front. Why? That's my habit. Is it right? Both are right, no problem. Both are good only. But why did you do like this? Because that is my practice. Changing practice, you will become little uncomfortable. Are you getting? But it is possible, quite possible. Easily you can do it. Understood? You could have clapped with 100%. Why you did not do? That's not my habit. Everything in your life do with 100%. Let me use one finger clap. You will get good rain here. 2. Is it raining? 3, 4, 5. You will even get the chill, cool feeling. Are you getting? See, we have not changed anything. The sound, one ear immediately will respond to the feeling. There was no rain, but some of you are seeing it raining. The temperature, skin also. Every indriya, eye, ear, nose, tongue, masala vada, പരിപ്പ് വട. Automatically what happens? You get the taste. I only said, immediately you got the shape. You started seeing, the tongue started watering. Correct? See how we are connected. When we learn some subject, are you getting this feeling? Visualize learning. Visualize your future. Visualize every word. Understand inside. Then you will enjoy. Otherwise, everything what you hear becomes, not interested. Because you are not able to understand the real meaning. Most essential is understand the real meaning. Grasp knowledge. Capture ideas. Visualize. Then your learning becomes good. So now we will have a break. That's what I was told. Write lot of questions. Now my job is over. If you have no questions, tata bye bye. If you have questions, you will have to come ask me questions. Ready?
Yes.
This is done by many animals. Only human being can say yes, no, verbal, not. So I will say, don't tell like this. You go for an interview and ask questions. Finished. You will not get appointment, you will get disappointment. Don't do this animal's job. Okay? Open your mouth, speak. Good? What? Clear, crisp, clear, sharp. You become good communicator.